Hey there, I'm Arthur with Innovative Journaling, and if you've ever wondered how we make our books, well, we're putting together a whole group of kits that will teach you how to make our entire line of journals, and I mean every journal, right up to the Book of Shadows, which is really thick and big. But this product is a kit for our slim leather journals. So our slim leather journals are 1 stitch wide, 40 pages, like that. And this kit it encompasses all 4 sizes: our Companion, Pathfinder, Soul, and Da Vinci sizes. You can get each kit individually, and you can get the kit with just the stuff to make it, or you can get the kit with templates so you can go out and make a bunch of your own. Okay, so I'm going to show you what comes in each kit. I'm going to demonstrate to you on the small Companion size, but you can get them in all 4 sizes. Okay, so first off, let's just do the basic kit. The basic kit is basically you get the cover like this, and you get the text block. Everything is pre-punched for you. You get threads enough for 3 books, or you can just pick the color you like, and you get a needle. Okay, that's what comes in the basic kit. And then if you want to get the template, that kit is, and once again, we're just showing this in the Companion size, but it's available in all 4 sizes. So you get the same stuff. You get the cover, the pages, the threads, and the needle, but you also get the template for making more, and it's all punched for you, so you can just punch those holes yourself in the leather or the paper cover you make or whatever, and you get a paper punching template so everything lines up like you can see right here. It'll line up and center your paper with the holes, so everything is perfectly centered in the book. And that's it. Okay, so slim leather journal kit, 4 sizes. You pick your size, and each size comes with either the basic kit or the kit with the templates, so you can make a bunch more on your own. And that's the first. This is a foundational product. It will help to teach you how to make all of our other books. All right, hope you like this video, and hope you get started. See you next time. Bye.